2015 Nissan Rogue. Going to show you how to reset the oil light here. Without pushing on the brake, you want to turn your ignition on, and that'll bring up your normal screen. Now, I don't believe his oil life thing is set. I usually end up writing him a sticker, but I'm going to show you anyway. So we're going to use these buttons here, this little menu button, the enter button, and the up and down button. So we'll start with the menu button here. You want to click the menu button until you come up to this screen here. And at this setting screens, you want to click down on the enter button. So you'll click down until you come to maintenance. And on maintenance, you're going to click on the enter button, which is going to bring you up to this screen. You're going to push on the enter button again, and that'll bring you up to this screen. Now, like I said, I don't believe his is on, but this will still show you. So with the enter button, you're going to push down, and that'll bring you to reset, and then you'll push the enter button again, and then up to yes. Click the enter button again, and it would be reset. Now again, he's not using his, so that's why it didn't reset, but that's how you do it. Hope that helps.